Okay, today we're going to replace this wireless transmitter inside this Handicap push button station. There's two screws, one on top and one on the bottom, that removes the push button from the actual box. And it's wireless, so it runs on a 9-volt battery. How to replace the battery, it's still not communicating with the door opener. So we're going to replace that little printed circuit board. Here's a new one. There's a part number. It actually came with a 9-volt battery, right around $100. You always want to make sure you verify that the part you're ordering is compatible with the opener that you have. There's a closer look. There's a receiver that receives a signal from that push button. Door-o-matic, that's the actual opener above the door, where you can make adjustments to it if you need to. So here's a new one. It has dip switches on it. Sometimes you have to adjust those dip switches. I'm just crimping on my female spade connectors to connect to the push button itself. And I didn't have to mess with the dip switches. It worked just fine without having to adjust them. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just push the female spade connectors onto your push button here. It's not polarity sensitive, so this one doesn't matter which one you connect where. Here's where a 9-volt battery goes. I'll push the button, and you can see it's now communicating with the door opener. Woo! So that means we don't need to mess with any of those dip switches. I'm just going to neatly tuck everything inside the box. Be careful not to pinch any of the little wires. And then just reattach your two screws. You can see it's working. So problem solved. One final test. Good to go. I hope you found this helpful. I want to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook, available now in ebook and paperback format. It has common facilities documents, tags, signage, resource and training material, as well as common shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. Or if you need hats, shirts, mugs, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in the video description below for this online facilities maintenance store where you can procure the products that you see here. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.